Good morning children, welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? We already in block 7 occupation. So what is the meaning of occupation here? Occupation is nothing but that whatever we do to earn money. It can be a business or it can be a job. In the last LPs we have discussed about what is a farming, and the person who does a farming is known as a farmer. And what he do to earn money? He grows different kind of crops to earn money, right? So when he sells those crops in the market, he will get the money. So while doing farming, he gets the money. That's why we call farming as a occupation or a job. And after that, in LP2 we already discussed about animal husbandry and poultry, where the people earn money by selling the products of animals. By selling the products of animals also you are getting money. That's why animal husbandry also called as another occupation or another job, right? So today we are going to discuss some more about another different kind of a occupation or job where we get money by selling products in the market. Okay, so tell me what I have in my ears. Earrings, gold earrings. And what do I have? Yes, another bangle, a gold. And do you have chairs? Chairs and windows? Yes. So have you ever observed the chairs, the windows made by which material? And the benches and the chairs in our school made by which material? The houses which we build, what the things we use to make them? Yes, iron, right? Even we have the iron benches and iron chairs in our school. That means what we call these iron and gold, the silver. Have you ever observed what we call them as? Yes, all of them called as minerals. What are they all called? What are they all called? They all called as minerals. So where do we get these minerals? From where we get these minerals? From the shop? Yes, I know, from the shop. But in the shop also, from where they will get? From the factories? Yes? Okay, fine, from the factories. Then where these factories will get these minerals? Do you know? Yes, these minerals will get from the land. By digging the land, we will get these minerals. Yes, children. These minerals we will get from the underground of the earth. When you dig the ground, we will get these minerals, but not every land. We will have only some part of India. Only some part of India will get these minerals. Especially if we see in India, we have Madhya Pradesh and Chota Nagpur is famous for these minerals. Okay. So, and another minerals also we have. While explaining the lesson, I will tell. So, where do we get these minerals? We get these minerals from the land, when we dig the land. So, what we call when we dig the land for the minerals? What we call? We call that one is mining. What we call that? We call that digging of land for the minerals. We call that as mining. So, today our lesson is LP3 mining. What is the meaning of mining? Digging the land for the different kind of minerals. If you dig the land for the minerals, we get minerals. And can we say that is also an occupation? Mining is also an occupation? Yes, definitely mining is also occupation, because while selling these products also in the market, the miner will get the money. So definitely we will call as mining also as another job. How we are going to know? What are the things we have to do in the mining? So let's read about the story to understand in a better way. Okay. So here I am going to read a story for you in the block 7, a day in the mines. Afterwards, while watching the video, you also keep your textbook in front of you, Nana, and follow the lines along with me, so you understand the lesson very well. Okay. So a day in the mines. Nandi lives near a coal mine. He works as a miner in that coal mine. His job is to take out coal from deep inside the earth. He digs the ground using tools such as few picks, a wedge, a hammer, a spade and a boring machine. He wears special clothes when he goes to the mines. He also wears a helmet on his head which has a light fitted to it so that he can see in the dark. He spends his day digging coal. His job is dangerous because mines are dusty and there are chance of explosion. The coal that he digs is useful to us in many ways. Many people use coal to light fire. Some trains in our country run by burning coal. Nandi does an important job. He is paid by the number of hours he works in the mines or sometimes by the amount of coal that he digs. He gets dirty while doing his job. He also spends the full day and sometimes long nights under the ground mining coal. So who is a Nandi? A Nandi is a worker who works in underground of the underground. So what we call underground area? Digging of a land for minerals, mining. So mining is a miner. Can I say miner? The miner is a person who digs the land for the minerals. So what is the job of Nandi here? Mining. What he do? He dig the land for the coal. Have you ever heard any coal mines near to our Khammam? Do you know? Yes, we have here Singareni coal mines, which is a very famous in all over India, where most of the northern part also get these coal transported to from south to north. Okay, when you come to the next class, I will explain. Okay, so we are having here Singareni coal mines, which helps to provide the energy to our India and thermal power. We get the power also, we get the current from coal also. And so the Nandi works in coal mines to get the coal out from the inner ground. So what do you think? Where he has to go? Under the ground. So do you think we have lights under the ground? Now we do have, but in before days the people don't have the lights underground. Now the Singareni coal mines have all the facilities. They have lift also. While using lift also they can go under the ground. And but in before days they used to dig the land, and while digging the land they have to enter the coal mines. For that they need a light. So while holding in one hand light and another hand we can't dig now. So they have special clothes for them. They have one helmet where they have light on their head, and after that by using that light and helmet they will dig the land to get the minerals out from the underground. Why they need helmet? Teacher, why they need helmet? They are not driving any vehicles on the roads. Why we wear a helmet? To get protection. Our head is very important, right? Why our head is very important? We have mind in there, right? So all the functions we do, how we do? Because our minds work properly. So if we get injured on our head, our mind also get injured, so we can't work properly. That's why we have to protect our head. That's why we wear helmet, right? So like that only. In the minings also people have dangers, like they do sometimes explosion. While digging the land, if they have any rocks in between their way, what they do, you know, they'll get explosions. They will blast that big rocks in middle of the way. So that time they need protection. That's why they wear special clothes, the mining clothes and the helmet. Sometimes they also need some kind of oxygen also, sometimes only when they go deeper. So when you move underground, we can't breathe, we can't have oxygen, right? So underground we only have the carbon dioxide levels very high. In the carbon dioxide levels we can't breathe. That's why sometimes they need oxygen also, and special clothes and the helmet with the light so they can see in the dark. While digging the land they will get the minerals out. So what are the things they need to dig the land? With the hands they dig? No, they need some special things like picks, wedges, spades and boring machine to dig the land, right? So by using all these spade, wedge, boring machine, they dig the land and they will move forward and they get the coal. When they dig the land, they will get the big coal, black color coal, big ones. They will bring it out them. So how they will get the salary? Because they are working in the mines under the ground. How how they used to pay in the story, how Nandi used to get paid by the hours, how many hours he did work, that many hours he get the wages, right? So sometimes they will do as a days, how many days he worked also, as per days also he get the income. So why Nandi is doing mining? Because I think where he lives, there he has many mines, right? For example, if I live where I live, that place is good to grow farms. If I have a field, then what I do? Mining or farming? Definitely I go for farming. I don't go for mining. But if I have only mines around me, then definitely I will go for to do job in mines only, right? That means we choose the work which we have near to us. That only we will choose, right, Nana? So Nandi also did the same thing. He is doing mining because where he lives, he has a lot of mines around him. That's why he is working as a miner in mines, right? So one more time, let me explain on the board. So mining is a job. Yes, mining is a job. What is the meaning of mining? Digging the land for the minerals. We do mine. Why we do mining? We do mining to get money. What are the things that we use to mining? Picks, wedges, spade, boring machines, right? And what are the different types of minerals we get from mines? Gold, iron ore, copper, coal. Okay, now we will discuss about what are the materials, why we need these minerals to bring out from the underground. If we take a gold, we make jewelry with the gold, right? Many of women are very fonded for the jewelry. They like to wear the jewelry, right? So and after that, iron ore. Iron means we make the chairs, parts of the chairs, parts of the things like planes, buses, cars and ships. We need definitely iron, right? And copper. Have you seen the copper wires? When you see the electrical wires, if you cut the wires, under the wires we have the tiny copper wires. Copper is a good source to absorb the electricity very well. That's why in in current wires we will keep the copper wires. So copper is good to use for electrical things. And coal. Why we use coal? Now only I told coal will give us energy. Do you know the trains will move by using coal? Yes. In olden days people used to put the coal in the engine. So when the coal is burned, the train will move. Now we have most of the trains are electrical trains, but in olden days we have coal trains. Now also some olden trains, now also we are using coal in olden trains. Okay. So these all are we get from the minerals by digging of the land, and these are the products from we can get from minerals. So why we do mining? To get money only, and some other minerals we get and we use in daily life like petrol and gas. Every day we need a gas to cook food, and every day we need a petrol to move from one place to another, to travel one place to another. Definitely we need a petrol to move our vehicles, right? So do you know where we get petrol from? Yes, from the seas. Underground of the seas we get the gas and petrol. So all these minerals comes from the underground only. So the people who works under the mines are known as miners. And why these people will do these jobs? To get the money from the mining. So can I say mining is also another occupation? Okay. Now can anyone tell what is the dangerous things can happen in the mining? While doing mining, what are the dangerous things that every miner has to face? Every miner has to face. Yes, I told you now, sometimes they will do explosion. Sometimes when you dig the land, surface of the land also falls on the people. And when you do explosion, rocks also get blast, and the people will also get hurt by the small rocks. Do you know that? That's why mining is not an easy job. Do you think mining is an easy job? No. Mining is a very dangerous job. That means so many people are doing. Even if it is danger, why do you think they are doing? To get minerals and to get money also. Every person need money for his life to live, to buy things, food, vegetables, to get fees, to buy things like clothes, for medical fees. Every person need money, and different people will choose different kind of occupation. Today we have learned another occupation which is known as mining. Which up to now how many occupations we have discussed about? 3. Farming, animal husbandry or poultry, and another one is mining. So everyone open your volume please. So here we have mining as our S3. Everyone must write date. So first question. Given below are some sentences that we hear about people who work in mines. Tick the sentence you agree with. So you just think of the people and you just tick which is the right one, okay? A miner has to go to under the ground for mining. Do you think it's correct one or wrong one? A miner has to go under the ground for mining, yes or no? If it is yes, tick that one. A miner should not wear a mask. He should not wear a mask. Can he breathe under the ground? If it is right, tick it right. If it is wrong, just leave it, okay? Don't tick it. If it is wrong, don't tick it. A miner's work is very easy. Do you think miner's job is very easy? Next one. People living near mines often work as miners. Yes, I already told. The people, if they are living near to miners, often they will choose their work as miners only. So which one is right? That one only tick. Go for the second question. Fill up the columns with names of 4 things we use that comes from mining. Write one way we use these things. They already had written one example. The things which we get from the mining like coal, iron ore, we already have on the board, right? I already explained you. So you have to just mention in the volume and why do we use things. You just have to explain how and why we use them. Go for the third question. Sanjay is a miner. Write 2 things about which he should be careful when he is in a mine. So here children, Sanjay is a miner. While doing mining, what are the things he might be taking care of? He has to wear a helmet or not? He has to wear a special clothes or not? He has to wear a mask or not while digging the land? Yes? So write your answers. Complete your volume. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.